Hi, I'm Marika Newman, and I'm going to show you how to age a photograph. You will need a computer, a photo editing program, and your picture. The first step is to open your photo editing program. I will be using Adobe Photoshop. Select File and click Open. Browse and pick the picture you're wanting to age. Once your picture is open, right-click on the active layer and select Duplicate. Then go to Filter, then Texture, and click Grain. Set the setting to 15 and the type vertical. Now select Image, then Adjustments, and click Hue and Saturation. Use the sliders to drop the hue to -30 and the saturation to -100. Now select Image, then Adjustments, and click Brightness Contrast. Raise the contrast to about +50. Now select Filter, then Blur, and click Gaussian Blur. Make the radius around 2 to 4 depending on the size of your image. And the last thing to do is go into Filter, Noise, Add Noise. This will add a little bit more texture to make the photo look older. Once you are done with all these steps, save a copy onto your computer. And that is how to age a photograph.